5 Best Pool Leaf Vacuum Reviews. Number 1. Poolmaster 28300 Big Sucker Swimming Pool Leaf Vacuum. The first product on our list is from Poolmaster. They have really mastered the art of keeping your swimming pool clean and hygienic. The Poolmaster 28300 is one of their latest offerings. If you are looking for a pool vacuum for heavy leaves, then this hungry beast is for you. It will devour all the large leaves, debris, and dirt that comes its way. You just have to keep feeding and watch this amazing machine work. It has 8 water nozzles that work together to create a strong suction force. With superior cleaning power combined with the 15-inch diameter and a wide mouth opening, this monster will make your pool ready for a party in no time. Number 2. Pool Blaster Max Cordless Vacuum for Leaves. This beauty from Pool Blaster comes with superlative performance and aesthetics. It offers cutting-edge technology and is the perfect choice if you want the features of leaf vacuum for above-ground pool and in-ground pool in a single package. This masterpiece looks like a weapon from outer space and is equipped with Watertech P30 high-performance motor. Thus you will be able to pick up debris in a flash. Cordless cleaning is the most exciting feature of this device. With only a few days of usage, you are going to regret the struggles you went through connecting hose to your old vacuum and the hours you spent trying to fix leaks. Now you can clean anytime, anywhere. Whether it is spa, swimming pool, or hot tub, this beast will get your job done in a breeze. Number 3. Watertech Pool Blaster Leaf Vac. Cleaning pools away from home can be troublesome. You don't have any water supply or charging ports nearby. This battery-powered pool leaf vacuum from Watertech will come in handy in such situations. This vacuum device is self-sufficient as it runs on batteries. This makes it ideal for a visit to the farmhouse pool. Only 8 AA batteries can power up the vacuum for a whopping 3 hours. That's more than enough for a week's visit to your beloved destination. Number 4. Swimline Blue Wave Leaf Bagger. Here is another leaf vacuum that is simple and lightweight but will get the job done. The Blue Wave Leaf Bagger from Swimline is one of their top-selling products. This device is practical and straightforward. In case you want to avoid all the fancy tech and just go with a simply built vacuum for your pool, this bagger is perfect for you. Now you can throw last-minute pool parties in your backyard because this bagger will gulp all the leaves and debris in minutes. This makes your backyard barbecue party even more fun. Number 5. Polaris Vac Sweep 280 Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Polaris has already produced some magnificent pool cleaners which boast cutting-edge technology and robust ergonomics. The Vac Sweep 280 is no exception to that. This bomb right here will sweep up all the leaves, twigs, and debris and scrub the walls of your in-ground pool all on its own. You won't have to hold a tele-pole and stand beside the pool for hours. Just plug the device and go back to prepare your barbecue sauce. You won't be looking for more power here as this device has double jets installed, giving it superior vacuum power. It only takes 3 hours to do a complete cleanup. Now, this is some exciting stuff.
Oh.